Generating an Assets List PDF report. On all our asset list pages, there is a feature that allows you to generate a PDF list of the selected assets. This PDF list serves as a printer or email-friendly version of your selected assets list, which can be used for stock taking or if you need to provide it to a broker. To generate the PDF, follow 3 simple steps. First, navigate to the relevant assets page by clicking on Assets in the sidebar, then Assets, and then select your desired list page. Next, select the assets you wish to be included in the PDF report. This can be done by pressing the tick next to each asset, or by clicking and dragging to select multiple assets that are adjacent to each other. If you wish to select all the assets in the list, you can just click at the top. Now, in the top right of the page, press the Generate Assets PDF button. Enter the email address you want the PDF to be sent to and click OK. Within approximately 10 to 30 seconds, you will receive an email with a link to the Generated Assets PDF. Click on the link and you will see the PDF of your selected assets.